Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Mirror Neuron, which means watch and learn. And today we are going to share the daily coding challenge 3, the problem statement. And the problem statement is, say given you have a, series of digits which looks like this, say 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. So this is a list of numbers which have zeros and ones. What you need to do is you need to move from the leftmost value to the rightmost, but you should avoid falling into number 1. So what you need to do is you need to jump like this, then jump like this. You have to skip this portion, you have to jump again and skip this. So basically, how many jumps did you take here? You took the first jump, the second jump, third jump, and fourth jump. Okay, and each of your jump is nothing but you are adding some values to your current position, current index position, and you are allowed to add 1 or 2. So that means you can jump 2 values. So you can jump from, again I'll write it here, so you have the values like this, right? So you can jump 1 value, you can jump max 2 values, you can jump here, you can jump 1 value, and you can jump 2 value. What you are not allowed to do is you cannot jump like 3 values or something. Okay, so this is allowed, but this is not allowed. Okay, so that is the problem statement. So in this case, what you need to do is, of course there are multiple ways to jump, right? And you need to find out the minimum number of jumps you need to take to move from the leftmost value to the rightmost value. In this case the value is 4. This is the minimum that you can take. Okay, all right, just to demonstrate I will take 2 more examples. So for example, say we have another value like this, and say the example is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0. So what will be the minimum number of steps that you will have to take so that you can jump from here to here to here and then finally here? Of course this is equal to 4. And is there a better way to do this? Just think about it. Of course we have. So what I can do is I can jump, but because I'm allowed to take 1 or 2 steps, so I can jump like this. So I can jump from this value to this value, and then I can take 1 value, 1 jump here, right? And then I can take 2 jumps again from here. So this time I took, so my green path took 4 steps and my red path took only 3 steps. So my output is 3. So I hope the problem statement is clear now. You need to find the minimum number of steps you need to take to jump from the first value to the last value in the list, and you have to find out the minimum number of steps that would be required. Alright, so give it a try, and I'm pretty sure by now you must have got some experience solving our daily coding challenge 1 and 2. 3 is little bit more challenging, but give it a try and we will try to post a solution tomorrow. Till then, you have a great day, and if you like our channel, please do subscribe.